Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna to rescue my greenhouse. Here you can see my greenhouse. And 2 days ago we had a storm happen at midnight. It was a very windy day, and the greenhouse door didn't get closed. The wind got in there and it moved my greenhouse about 2 feet to the south. Here you can see this area used to be inside the greenhouse, now is outside. My wife already moved some plants back into the greenhouse. Alright, here you can see, if you see my last video, you should be able to tell how far my greenhouse moved. So I'm gonna use those straps to move the greenhouse back to its normal shape. Okay, here's my plan. I plan to use the straps to hook down 3 points of this greenhouse and tie that to my truck, and to drag it with my truck. Hopefully that will make the greenhouse moved back to its original place, which those concrete block at. Here's my plan. I used 4 straps hooked on 4 points of the greenhouse, and then I'm going to use my truck to pull my greenhouse to where it was. Okay, after about 15 minutes, now I pull my greenhouse almost back to where it is supposed to be. Now the door can be closed too. Can you open the door? Thank you.
Hello.
See how much room we moved. Now they're almost on top of where the concrete block was. I'm going to put a barrel here and another barrel here, fill up with water, and which should stop it from moving.